Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Shifting Lanes Garage. My name's Chad, and no, we didn't hit Powerball and get a shop, and we're at our friends here at Blue Sky Performance and Restoration. I'm gonna put a link to them down below, their Instagram and their website. You're definitely gonna wanna check out what these guys are because, man, do they have some awesome builds here. They are great guys and they do amazing work. What we are here today to talk about is, well, not just that, but we are announcing the biggest build in Shifting Lanes history. We're going for the most power we've ever had. This is definitely the most expensive build we've ever done, but this is gonna be awesome, guys. But before I kinda sit you down and tell you what we're doing, why we're doing it, and why it means so much to me, well, if you're a car guy, this isn't even their shop. This is just their showroom, or will be their showroom. We're in automotive heaven. We gotta take a walk around. We gotta see what they're working on because there is some amazing stuff here. Look at this place, right? Look at this. That's an old, I think, Mercury. That's getting a Coyote and a modern 10-speed in it. I mean, if there's any doubt that I'm taking what is now obvious, the Mustang, to the right place, this place is amazing. The car cannot be in better hands. I've always had a soft spot for Mustangs. It's been literally the poster car when I was a kid growing up. But more importantly, and kind of where this build is kind of coming from, is my dad owned one of these back long before I was even a thought. But my dad had a Mustang in addition to a Corvette, which I'll get to in a second. The reason I bought this car was, unfortunately, Dad was sick, and I wanted to give him that reconnect with cars, that's why I'm into cars. It's because of my father, and I wanted to give him one last ride, one last badass machine to drive, because like I said, he had a Mustang, he had a Corvette, a 59 Corvette that he took the 283 out of, put a 327 in, had a board, stroke, balanced, blueprint, the whole nine, really just hot rodded the heck out of it for the day. And kind of why I want to go kind of crazy with this car, why I want to shoot for 650, 700 horsepower at the rear wheels. It's what he did, and I always dreamed of having my own car like that. Dad and I did get to go on a few rides with this thing, but unfortunately his illness, Parkinson's, kind of took his ability to enjoy stuff like this. It's an absolutely horrible disease, and sadly last July he was taken from us. Fortunately, we all kind of look at it as the later stages of life wasn't really life, and he was at peace. But it will always be eat at me that he never got to see this thing finished. This is now Project 412. 412 was April the 12th was my father's birthday, and that's what we're doing, a tribute build. We're building this in Dad's honor. It's going to be an absolutely amazing machine when it's done. Something I really think Dad something Dad would have been proud of. At any rate, kind of heavy stuff added away. This is a prime example of I don't want to say a build getting out of hand, but we've all sat here and looked at parts and been like, I can afford that. And then it's like, well, you need to kind of do this to make it reliable. And then you need to do this. Well, if you're doing that, you might as well do this. Like, so you'll see as we go through this build just how out of hand it got. But let's just say there's stuff on this that should I decide to go for 1,000 horsepower someday, it'll handle it. Which is crazy and also just sorry. I'm struggling with a lot of stuff because obviously there's a lot to this, but I am so excited. This thing is going to be an absolute ripper, and I cannot wait to share the journey with you guys. This thing, this is 2.5 years in the making. Parts, planning, all of that stuff. This has just been a labor of love, and she's finally getting all of the parts put in by, again, just some amazing professionals. It does have some mods on her already. Long tube headers, a 2018 ported intake manifold. Previous owner put IVAC lowering springs and sway bars in this, which we will touch on again in another video down the road. But this is a huge build. We are boosting her, and we are targeting somewhere in the neighborhood of 650 to 700 horsepower at the rear wheels soon. And we're going to take you guys along for the ride. And like I said in the intro, this is without question or shadow of a doubt the biggest build we have ever done. It's going to be the most powerful car we've ever had when we are done. It is going to be the most capable car when we are done. It is by a huge margin the most expensive car we have ever done. This is Shifting Lanes next level, and that is really thanks to all of you guys who have watched the videos, liked the videos, watched our live stream, supported us on Facebook, all of that sort of stuff. We worked extremely hard to grow Shifting Lanes to where it is today, but all of that means nothing without guys like you. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart on behalf of Greg, Hanson, and myself. We really appreciate you guys. But as for this video, that's going to be a wrap, guys. More on Blue Sky as we go through the build, but link in the description. You're definitely going to want to check them out. Like the video, share it with a friend, hit that notification bell, because this build right here is not something you're going to want to miss. This is going to be absolutely epic, so you are definitely going to want to have those notifications turned on. But like I said, that's a wrap on this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.